Hello, hello, hello. What's up? It's all good here. Welcome to Larry's Mail Call Day. Are y'all ready? Let's get right into it because I ain't got all day for this jazz. So come on, folks. Don't go nowhere. Stay where you're at. Sit. Very good. So relax, chill out, take some deep breaths, and rock with me, my friends. Here we go. This is Mr. Announcer's, but I haven't seen it yet. I don't know what it is, but we're fixing to. This is it's your thing. You would like to share that?
Well, I can say they have wonderful handwriting.
Yes.
Look at that.
That is nice handwriting. What did the front part say?
Thank you sincerely for supporting our small business during this time. Your
Right.
patronage is greatly appreciated.
What does that say?
This says, I assume it's pronounced Truffet.
The thing with the pen, maybe?
The company.
Okay.
I know which one. I know the pen name.
To me, when I first starts to see this, reminds me of a Jinhao 450 or a 250. What is the name of this pen?
It's a Luoshi. It's their Elements series, and this one is Water.
Oh, the water. So they're doing a little copycat in here, okay? Like the Elements, Visconti Elements. Is it Visconti Elements? Or the Conklin. Could be the Conklin I'm talking about. Hell, I don't know what I'm talking about. So let's see here. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. But later we'll do a review on this, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Nice little clip there. All right. So on we go. I'll put that in the trash, and we're going to go with this. Handle with care. I have no idea what it is. So here we go. So I hope everybody's been doing good today. Tomorrow, Saturday, the 27th, Mr. Announcer and myself go for our second shot. So here we go. Interesting. I'll show you in a minute. I'll be darned. Mr. Announcer, you're going to be surprised with this one. You hear me?
Yes, that doesn't look like a pen.
No, it's not. And before I reveal anything, let me get a little look at this. A gift for you. Would you like to read that?
A very special gift for you from Whit and J.C. Whitfield. We hope this painting by Whit's cousin, Eden Miller, helps you remember all the great things about Cubby. And a quote from Robert Louis Stevenson. You think dogs will not be in heaven? I tell you, they will be there long before any of us.
Are y'all ready? Here we go. Oh, Kabish.
Oh, wow.
Look at Cubby. I'm my sweetie. That's my baby right here. The Kabish. That's the baby. And while we're at it, let's bring other Cubby over here too. All about Kabish. Cubby, 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 Cubby. Well, folks, that's going to do it for today. So thank you for joining me on Mail Call today. Until later, a lot of peace and love coming your way. Remember, follow the rules, mask, the distance, all that jazz. And as always, don't text and drive. And Cubby says, be good. He loves you.